Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I just had a parcel arrive from Melodysusie and they've sent size 10 Kolinsky brush and they've also sent a brand new product that's just come out. How cute is this packaging? I love this tape. So Melodysusie have brought out an all-in-one acrylic and dip powder. So you get 2 ounces in each pot, which is 56 grams. You've got your ingredients on the back. You've got all the contact details there as well. I'm not sure whether you're going to be able to see that or not. I really like these pots. They look really professional, don't they? I likes them. So yeah, this is a dip powder, but it's also an acrylic powder as well, so you can use it for either dip nails or acrylic nails. I'm going to be using it as an acrylic powder today because I haven't got any dip liquids. I'm going to have to get some dip liquids and then we'll see what it's like to do dip nails with as well. So this is the Kolinsky brush, what they've sent. You've got the contact details there. I really like this packaging. It's really nice. It's really pretty. So this is the brush. It feels like a really nice brush. It's a really nice weight. It's not heavy. It's nice and light. So with a new brush, you need to prep it. So to start with, you need to get all this glue out of the bristles. Can you see all that glue coming out? So they put that glue in so the brush doesn't get jacked up in transit. You want to be really gentle with these bristles as well when you're getting that glue out. So just try and get as much of the glue out as you can. Now this video could be tragic, but it could be funny. Because as most of you guys know, I am a Polygel girl. And I've only ever tried acrylic once before. So yeah, who knows how this video is going to go. But it'll be a laugh, that's the main thing, eh? So I'm going to be using a brush cleaner to prep my Kolinsky brush with. You can just use monomer. You don't have to use a brush cleaner. So dip it in the brush cleaner or your monomer. And just keep getting all those little bits of glue out. Like I said, you want to be really careful as well with these bristles. Now, Melodysusie forgot to send me their monomer, so I've had to use my monomer. I'm going to pop that in my dapping dish. I might end up crimping this brush eventually. Not today, but I might end up doing that, watching a few videos and doing that, because I feel like I would get on better with a crimp brush. But we'll see how it goes today, as it is. I'm only going to do a quick swatch anyway, and I might do one French tip nail. So let's go. Now I was thinking I wish I had some bigger swatch sticks. You know, some stiletto ones, but I haven't. Inside the pot comes sealed with this protective seal. Right, let's go, shall we? Ooh, that was a good start. Did you see that bead release straight off the brush? I'm excited now. It feels really nice and buttery. It feels like I've got plenty of playtime as well, which is great for someone like me who's practicing. Ooh, that is a really nice colour. I like that. Yeah, I really like that. I wish I had stiletto swatch sticks. I'd love to try that on a longer nail. And this is the white one. That white is a really beautiful bright white as well, isn't it? I like it. Yeah, I really like the feel of it. I think it'd be good for professionals. I think it'd be good for beginners. So much so that I'm actually feeling a little bit brave and I want to try and do a French tip. This could be a laugh, but here it goes. Here goes nothings. So start off there. It releases straight off the brush as well. You see how much playtime I've got with this? Look at that. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Kind of wish that I hadn't used this spatula though, because it's bent, it's throwing my eyes off this being central. But I think that is central. I just need a little one here. Ah, shite. I should have blended that down into that first bead before it started to set. But it'll be fine. There's nothing that a decent file can't sort out, so I'm not going to panic. So I'm going to let that set up, and then I'm going to give it a file and we'll go in with the white. Right, so that's all set. So I pulled out my metal nail file. Now these are a godsend, guys, especially for smile lines. So I'm keeping that upright I'm not doing it like that. I'm not doing it like that. Dead upright this wants to be. Right, so that is all filed, nice and crisp. Now we're going to apply the white. So I'm going to let that set up and then I shall give it a file and a buff off camera. There we are. Right, let's give it a top coat, shall we? Pop that down to cure. Woohoo, look at that, guys. How crisp is that? Wow. I'm actually really impressed with myself. And it felt really, really nice to use as well. Like, obviously, I've only ever used one other acrylic brand, so I can only go off comparing it to that other one brand. But comparing it to that other brand, it had like a really creamy, buttery consistency to it. For me, being a beginner, I really liked it. I really liked it. And considering that's the first time I've ever done a French with acrylic, I don't think I did bad at all, do you? I'm quite impressed. Look how crisp that smile line is. I can't stop looking at that smile line. It is so crisp. Love it. Love it. So that's that. Let's have a quick look at the swatches again. So we've got the nude and we've got the white. That white is a really nice bright white as well, isn't it? I do like that nude colour as well though. It's my kind of nude. Yeah, they're nice. They're really nice. I really want to start my acrylic journey now. After having a little play with these today, I definitely want to start learning acrylic. So these are the powders. Nice big 56 gram pots as well. And then that is the size 10 Kolinsky brush. That Kolinsky brush As a beginner, I probably should have gone for a smaller size, to be honest. I found it a little bit big for me, learning. I think if I'd have gone for a smaller size, I would have had a little bit more control over the beads. And also, I've only ever used a pinched brush before. I've never used a round brush, so I think that took a little bit of getting used to. So, yeah. But other than that, it was a really nice brush. It released perfect from the beads. Yeah, it was a really nice brush. So everything that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box, like I normally do. I have got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie as well, guys, which is Gina12 with a capital G. I shall pin that in my comments along with the link to the website anyway. They've got a couple of different colours of these powders. I think there might be a pink and a clear, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm hoping they're going to start bringing out more colours, because they felt really, really nice to use. Like I said earlier as well, guys, I'm going to get hold of some dip liquids and we'll see what they like using them for dip nails. Because I know a lot of people have started doing dip nails, especially a lot of people that used to have their nails done at a salon, and then once COVID come about, a lot of people started doing their own nails from home, and I know a lot of people turned to dip nails, so I think that'll be quite a popular video. So I'm definitely going to try and get my hands on some dip liquid. So that's everything for today's video. I want to say a massive thank you to Melodysusie for letting us check these out. Thank you so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.